I'm just gonna start recording.
Just right now, before we're ready.
Tape is rolling, might as well roll sound. This is a shit show now.
You just add some like the we screwed that up stuff in there.
Yeah, well, like I said, we're gonna have to dub over. We're gonna have to do a voiceover. Yeah, we're going to have to.
Why? Do I just get ignored?
Well, because Binging with Babish goes, oh, I forgot to do that part, so here it is. But he still has the whole show before it, like where he introduced himself and started cooking and then had some stuff.
Yeah, well, we'll just introduce it
It's
again.
not-
We'll just start over like, hey, welcome back to another episode of Two Drunk Dads show where I already made the thing and I made a mess. Things have happened. We can't go back now.
We can't. This is going to be the fastest one. It's
not.
going to be a minute and a half because we're going to be like,
What I'm gonna do is
this,
I'm just gonna explain
this,
all these things
this,
again.
this. It'll look like that.
Welcome back to another episode of Two Drunk Dads, a show before the show where we make the drinks that we drink on the show, where we drink the drinks to talk about stuff. On today's episode, I screwed it all up, and I made a mess, and I knocked things, and they got unplugged, and now we have to start over. So here what we have is a chocolate-covered
mess.
banana, and a big mess.
Giant mess.
But luckily for you, there's ice in the glass. That wasn't there the first time. Anyway, so what went into this was we started with 2 ounces of 99 bananas, or if you're just making one for one person, or you know, that's just one. Just cut all that in half unless you're an alcoholic, then just make it this way. Then we put in the rest of our vanilla vodka, which was about 2 ounces. So you just put 1 in yours. And then what we did next was we put in 3 ounces of our chocolate liqueur. And we went all like this. We was all like, pour it in. But then I was all like, smash, smash, smash. Hulk smash, smash, smash. And he was all, pick it up. And I was all like, oh, it came unplugged. And now we're doing it again. And then we added 3 ounces of your coconut rum. We use Coca Loco because it doesn't taste like suntan lotion, like
Malibu's
Malibu's.
trash.
That was inappropriate, and it's not trash. It's got its purposes. It's just that one tastes like coconut.
Suntan lotion is what it's for.
Listen, that's just rude. Malibu, don't listen to him. He does not talk for the Rum Runnas Podcast as a whole.
Unless Captain Morgan's is watching this, which sponsor the show, and we totally mean it. It's in a shaker now.
Anyway,
This is
so
what it
we
should
all
look like.
put it in a shaker. It should look like coffee. And then I went and shook it up, and then this is about when we were like, oh, we need ice, and I went and I got the ice, and then
Everything exploded.
messes happen. But you know what, everybody? Messes happen. Or if you're like Forrest Gump,
Life's like
it
a box of
happens.
chocolate-covered bananas,
that
which
word
is the
on-
name of this drink. Because it wasn't said in this take.
I did say it at the beginning. I said I made a chocolate-covered banana.
I'll see it in post.
Look at that. We have enough for another thing.
Bong bong. Let's taste.
That is sticky.
I wonder why. Freaking delicious.
I'm so good at stuff when I make things up.
You don't even taste the burn. There's no burn this time.
There's a little burn. You know, maybe the fireball would have been okay.
Do you want to put it in?
No. It's too late for that. Anyway, we'll see you on the other show where we drink the drinks.
And
Talk
talk
about
about stuff. See you on the show.